Good.
Just hand them to her then, Elle. That's going to help her dog. Hey! No, Helper doesn't need to open it. No.
Happy birthday, Avery. Avery, happy birthday, Big Sis.
Sorry? Last time I got more pair of shorts that were similar to that, I got Hector doing right around the underwear, somebody told me. Oh yeah, it was you.
Take a look.
Honey, just read who it's from. Do you know who it's from?
Yes.
Okay, who's it from?
Uncle Mikey and Aunt Kristen.
Used to call them pedal pushers.
I read most.
You read most of it? This is from Uncle Earl, Aunt Bonnie, Carrie Lynn, and Rachel.
And down below your knee,
Oh.
pedal pushers. They didn't call them shorts, they call them pedal pushers.
And how come they didn't come?
We'll see them tomorrow.
I need help with this. Sorry.
That's okay.
Ah, thank you. You're welcome.
See, hello, Kitty.
Hello, Kitty. Yay.
Elle.
I'll put it down.
Pretty.
Ow. Put it down.
Sticker art. Ooh.
If anyone wants to look at it, they
Love
can.
stickers.
Yay, Hello Kitty again. Yay. Is it a Hello Kitty Mikey though? Yes, it is. And it goes with an iPod thingy. Whatever. iPod?
Very cool.
Oh,
Now you can sing all your favorite songs.
Thank you.
Oh,
It
thank
looks
you.
awesome. You have to
does.
say thank you for nobody.
She gets to
Thank
thank you
you.
tomorrow. That is cool, huh?
You have to give him a big hug for that tomorrow when you see him.
There's 2 cards in here.
The pink one is yours. Can I have the blue one back?
Yes. Hello Kitty.
Ooh,
Cute. Ooh la la.
Hello,
Is it wrong way or more?
there you go.
Yay, there's stickers!
Who's that from?
I don't know. Wherever it's from.
Uncle Mikey, Aunt Kristen, and Connor.
Thank you for giving that one to my sister. I thought it sings. Ooh, ice cream and cake.
Ooh, Presto Dots. Wow, isn't that cute?
And it goes with the Hello Kitty shirt.
Wow.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
Cute.
Avery, the big blue box goes with that.
Oh,
Okay. Thank you for telling me. And thank you for the gift.
Good job, Al.
thank you, Elle. Good job.
I don't know, but open it. Can you get to that? What else? No. Cool. Oh, I don't think I can lift that off.
Wow.
What is it?
It's a mega cyclone ball. Gonna roll you down the hill in that.
That is so cool.
And heavy too.
We'll put you inside and roll you around.
Can roll you right down the hill in that, Avery. You don't even need a sled.
That's awesome. Who's next up? I'm gonna look at that.
Oh, watch out, honey. Oh, you're in the way.
Yay, I got another same card.
It's Barbie.
Let me see. Let me see.
Another Barbie card.
Barbie.
Oh, can you move this gift behind you? I can't see Avery. Thank you.
Yeah.
Let's do one at a time.
Help you.
I think it says Grammy and Paul.
You're right. It does. Good job.
Ooh, yay. I got that.
Okay, thanks.
What is it? What is it? What is
Ooh,
it?
some nice shorts.
Is this?
No.
Oh, come on. honey.
Ow! That's
One leg shorter than the other one.
Yay, more makeup.
Oh.
I got it half off.
Oh,
New makeup. I like that.
I know you do. We're gonna send you to Grammy's to play with it.
No, never.
You can play with it, Grammys.
Yay!
Yeah, it's actually Grammy's in your house.
What is that?
It goes with the Leapster.
Oh, a new Leapster game.
Except I don't know what it's called.
Fun.
I Spy.
It's treasure hunt.
New goggles!
New goggles! Yay! Don't let Amelia eat these ones.
Okay. New pretty pink shirt.
Okay.
Next gift.
What do you say?
Thank you.
It's right there behind Elle. It's the last one.
Last one better be a good gift. It better be a good gift.
That's from Grandma Riyadh.
Yeah, we know. I don't know where the card is.
Oh, Al. She wrote on the tag. Oh, honey, gentle. Look how pretty.
Wow, look at that baby doll. Look at that baby doll.
Fragile.
Pretty new ring. She has a little matching one too.
Oh,
Is she meant to play with? No.
no, we'll put her up there by the
It was a firm though.
Wow, who'd you say to everybody, Avery?
Thank you.
You're
You're welcome.
She'll stand up there beside Avery's other one.